I'm Daigo, and I decided to create a video titled "How to Do It Just Enough," because I like to do in my personal life. I want to do many things like smoking barbecue, creating sourdough pizza, and some technical stuff. I just like to do it by myself as much as possible, and you know, as an amateur, I want to do it just enough and not too much. And I like to share how I do it because I think it's good enough to the people who want to do it too. And recently, I found software to live stream this lecture setting video, and uh, like this with a slide setting and then myself talking, and it's not just a slide without any presenter present, or it's not just me talking without any material, and it's a combination. It's really awesome. And as a first instruction video, I just wanted to share how to do this, and so I'm going to do that. And after that, as an example, I will do. I'm also a programmer, so I want to share a live, very short live coding session using some shared screen on the web. All right, let's do it. So the software I'm going to use today, let's see my screen, is it's called Open Broadcaster Software, OBS, and OBS Studio. And I'm using Mac, but this software is open source and should be available on Windows, Mac, and Linux altogether. And you go to obsproject.com, and you see this page, and you click on the green button that says download, and you can actually download and install the software, which is very straightforward. Now, after installing OBS Studio, you can actually start live broadcasting in this lecture setting on YouTube, and I will show you how to do it. And so if you bring up the OBS software, I'm just showing the screen of my OBS system, and except that I already set up where to show my screen and then where to make myself appear in the screen. That's set up. But I want to first explain how to do the settings for live streaming. So if you look at right bottom corner, there's like 5 buttons, and bottom one is called exit. And just above exit, there's a setting button, and go ahead and click that. And if you click that, you see window like this. And on the left, they have a bunch of menus, and you go to stream, the second from the top, and you can choose in the second pull-down menu. There's the menu called service, and you can actually choose YouTube, and to say you want to broadcast through YouTube. And at the bottom, there's a stream key, which is like a password, and that you obtain from YouTube website. So if you don't have YouTube video, go ahead and create an account, and then after creating an account, log on to YouTube and go to youtube.com/live_dashboard. Then you see this screen that I'm showing now, except that you should be offline instead of online. And to be able to get online and go live streaming, you need to give OBS this key, which you can find at the bottom of this page, and in the section called Encoder Setup. The server URL is automatically set by OBS already for you by choosing YouTube as a service from the pull-down menu. And what you need is this stream name/key, which is hidden because once you have that, anybody can broadcast on your account of YouTube, you know, as you. So you don't want that. So just to keep it secret. So if you click on reveal, it will reveal the password or key, and then you can copy and paste onto this OBS system in the settings menu, stream key I just showed you just a minute ago. Once you have that, boom, you have this like live streaming going on already by clicking on start streaming at at top of the 5 buttons I showed you at the right bottom corner. You can also have option to like record what you're sharing on your local computer by clicking start recording at the second top bottom. So this is the setting. It's really easy. Of course, you have to set up where to share screen and where you hear the cell phone using OBS software, which is very straightforward. And now, as an example of this lecture, I want to actually do some very short live coding. For that, I recommend using a website called CodaPad.io. And this website, this is CodaPad.io webpage. And this website is actually services created for giving online programming interviews, and which I actually use at work so often. Really awesome product. And I found that actually you can actually use this to do the live coding if you're giving a lecture on how to code and so on. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just pretend I'm giving a lecture. And so go to CodaPad.io, and then you even don't have to create an account to try it out. What you can do is actually code in your preferred programming language, and they have so many to choose from. Like this, there's a launch demo after clicking on try demo, and then you can actually choose even from like language I like Clojure and so on, although they are not so major compared to something like Python that I'm going to use for this demonstration. Go ahead and start demo, and then type in your name, go. I'm going to, I think it's still loading up. It's still loading. Okay, there you go. Virtual machine, go. Okay, so I'm going to make this font a bit bigger so you can see on the screen. Good. And I'm going to delete this example. Yeah, by the way, you can actually you can even run this program. So before deleting, I'll just click run. Yeah, diagram, 6 lines of Python, hello world, Yeah, so you can actually code and run this program. How awesome is that? Now, I'm going to write a reciprocal Fibonacci constant function with your preferred precision. Right? Alright, so this reciprocal Fibonacci const, and let's give default value and 100, and return value equals 1, fib 0 equals 0, fib 1 equals 1, then 4, I in range 1 to 10 plus 1. Let's update Fibonacci numbers. So fib equal fib 0 plus fib 1. Fib 0 equal previous value. So replace with fib 1 and fib 1 with fib. And actually, return should be 1.0 for double precision. And return equal plus equal 1.0 over fib. And lastly, return. So now, and print. Let's see. Fibonacci const. and you can actually run this code. Let's see what happens. This run button at the left top corner. Yay! So 3.35985. Yeah, this really approximates the actual reciprocal Fibonacci constant. Great. And you can make the precision a bit lower. Yep. And this is it. So, in this instruction video, my first ever attempt, I shared how to create a lecture slide share like this. It's really easy, and I shared how to broadcast on YouTube live using OBS system, and I introduced Portapad.io as an easy way to share live coding session, and it also allows you to like run the code right away, which is really awesome. So this is it. Thank you very much. I might do another video soon, so if you would like to, please subscribe, and thank you very much.